Good evening, guys. I hope everybody's having an amazing day and a blessed week. Today, our portfolio had a bad day. It was a bad day all throughout the market. Most stocks they had bad days due to all the uncertainty, economic state of the United States economy right now, due to everything that's going on, election, wars. There's a lot of uncertainty. Plus inflation, Feds dropping down interest rates. People don't know how to look at that things. Yeah, guys. Our portfolio today is down 2%. At some time in the day, it was down upwards of 2.14%, guys. We can see right here around 1.30 p.m. At 1:30 p.m., we can see, guys, it was down 2.14%. We have made, some recovering, and then we back down, guys. So I apologize. My position will be SoFi at 49.77 shares. Today was down 3%. Next is Robinhood, 14.55 shares. At a percent, minus 5.25. Next is the S&P 500 at 5.77 shares. And today, the S&P 500 was almost down 1%, guys, at 0.98. It was down more. And then, it got a little bit of movement. Next is Charge GPT. This is something that I started buying now, guys. Charge Point. Next is Swatch, 3.30 shares. Today was down 0.03%. Today I got my first dividend payment from Swatch Dividend Yield Equity ETF at 2.43 cents. They gave out a dividend payment of 75 cents a share, and I was holding 3.22 shares at the time, so I got $2.43. Next, guys, is Nvidia. Today Nvidia was down 4.45%. Nvidia has been one of the big movers, one of the big stock movers, one of the top 7 stocks in the US economy over the last couple of years. But this year Nvidia has hit a point where people are taking profit and they moving that money somewhere else. The economy, all of the things that are going on, those are things that affect the decision of retail traders, investors, regular people that are willing to pour their hard-earned money into these things. And then we got HIMS. HIMS was up 4.72%, contradicting the market and taking a different approach, guys. HIMS is up here today 119%. I started buying HIMS because I see that they have new medical products coming up, new products that can fit aesthetically, cosmetically. A lot of people these days, they're willing to go and spend extra money on the aesthetics, on the complexion, on the cosmetics. So I believe, HIMS will be taking a different approach to this. I'm up 15% for total return. Next is Vanguard Grow ETF at 0.69 shares. Today I was down 1.38%, guys. Next is QQQ at 0.49 shares. And today I was down 1.82%, guys. Next is Meta, 0.31 shares, and I was down 0.56. I was up 0.56%, guys. As you guys can see, I got rid of my Intuit position due to Intuit, having some bad days. I was up on Intuit at a point of 25%, and then all those gains have been lost since year to date. So I just decided to take some profit up 10% and transfer those funds to a new stock. I was thinking of Walmart. I could buy a couple shares of Walmart or just redistribute that money that I got from Intuit throughout the whole account. Next is FICO at 0.10 shares, and today I was down 1.43%, guys. Next is my RAIA. I started this a couple months ago, guys. These are my holdings. How everybody had a blessed day. Today was a bad day in the stock market, like I said again. But I feel like personally, the market will be heading back up. There's just a lot of uncertainty there is a lot of overthought, there is a lot of thinking going into it. When there's a lot of thinking, there is a lot of opinions, and when there is a lot of opinions, there's a lot of uncertainty, guys. So everybody have a blessed one, everybody be safe, enjoy. This is Innovate Investing. Our total holding on Robinhood is 3.637. Have a blessed day and amazing week, guys. Any recommendations, advice, and tips, I'll be gladly taking them on the comments. If you guys got any questions about my holdings or any kind of wondering on why am I investing on this, on why am I buying that, please feel free to ask. Thank you, guys.